Hi there.
What are you doing
Today I
out?
drove up at the ranch and the miniature horses were out. I have 4 of them and they seem to have gotten out on the back side.
What are you doing out?
So I drove up and they were
Are you
just
supposed to be
fine.
out?
We got them all back in the
Are
pasture.
you supposed to be out?
But they are
I don't
just the
think so.
cutest things.
Where'd y'all get out? All of y'all are out. Where's the donkey? All y'all bad boys are out. What are y'all doing out?
Now that we've got the miniature horses put back up, we're going to be starting on part 2 of our secret garden. I plan on it to be a little sanctuary where I can unwind and reconnect with nature, and I have time to transform it into a little magical secret garden. First, we started out by choosing some plants, and the ones that we've got we're potting up right now are some grasses, some different type of grasses. I have a cedar tree planted, and we also have got 2 fig trees planted. We also planted 2 bougainvilleas. They're getting ready to bloom. So, and then we have a small little sumac tree. I don't know how well it's going to do, but we we transplanted a small little sumac tree. I had in a different area, and then we also transplanted. It's more of a ghost weed or mountain snow ghost weed, but it is snow on the mountain is the name of it. But really, it's just it just came up by itself, and I don't remember planting any of that. So we moved it over in this little garden area also. And today we're putting down stepping stones and building a little garden path. Because most of this area that we're putting in the secret garden is right by my greenhouse. So it's in between a fence and the greenhouse. And so I would say it's only like 5 by 8, 6 by 8 area at the biggest. I think the next project we're going to address after we get the path put in is building a little garden gate, nothing big, so we can be able to see into our secret garden. I want to be able to see through it, so I don't want it to be a solid gate. But I plan on adding some chimes, and I'm not much for chimes, but I think in this area, I think I'd like some chimes. And I might even incorporate a little water feature just for the sound of the waterfall. It makes it such a serene atmosphere. And then I have an awning I may put over for some shaded area. Of course, we might have to put in a cozy swing or a hammock or just even a relaxing chair. So, are you ready to create your own secret garden? Or have you already created your own secret garden? I'd love to see some of your pictures. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I'm sure we're going to have a part 3 so I can show you the gate when I'm finished. And I maybe put in a little small zigzag fence. But thanks for joining me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.